Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will show how to install Node.js in computer. So first of all we will open our cmd prompt and we will type node hyphen version, and so we can see internal command or external command node is not installed. So then we will go to our browser and we will type Node.js install for Windows, download Node.js, and then we will click on the window installer our Node.js install. We can see in my window it is already installed, so I will don't install it again, and then we will click on the folder. Then we will run it as an administration or just open it. So it is opening. So it is giving a welcome message, and then we will click on next. We will accept all the term and condition, and next we will can see our location, and next. Then it is asking for additional package, so I install it. You can also left it as per your choice, but I installed it automatically. Okay, so next, then also install it. Now it is downloading our files. It is installing. We will wait for some second, for minutes. Node.js is an environment in which we can run our JavaScript code. So it is taking a little bit of time, so it is installing. We will wait for some second. So we can see that it is clicking on finish, so we will finish it, and then click any key of your keyboard. Okay, so it opened PowerShell. So we will click on enter to exit. Now we will check that our Node.js is installed or not. So we will check node hyphen version. So now it is also showing us the version of Node.js. So our Node.js is installed successfully. Okay, Node.js is an environment which is used to run our JavaScript code. So now we will also check that our npm is installed or not. So we will go again to command prompt and type npm hyphen version. So you can also see that our npm is also installed. Both are installed in our computer. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe our channel. Goodbye.